In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture on your Skype application. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you already have it on your PC. Of course, if you don't, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently using. And once it's opened, you will need to go to the URL section, type Skype, or download Skype application and hit the enter button, go to the first link and start downloading the application. Once it's downloaded, install it and open it up. Of course, these download steps will be pretty easy and simple because you must have been already downloaded something in your PC before, and it will be the same steps as that. So once you did that, once you download it and open it, you will find yourself with a page and they will ask you to log in into your account. And of course, if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create one. Once you did one of these two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or with this main screen. And as I said in the beginning of the video, you would like to add a profile picture to your Skype application. So of course, if you want to do that, of course you have two simple ways. First way is just to go here at the top left corner and click on that icon, and of course you would like to have your mouse here at this icon or at this profile picture. Once you click there, they'll give you the option of choosing a picture from your PC, of course, and you can choose whatever profile picture you want to be. Of course, you can do that. Of course, the other option is just go here to the Skype profile, and once you click on that, you will find this option right here. Of course, from this option, you can click on it, and as you can see here, you will have three options, not just like the last one. Here you will have the option of an upload a photo, which is changing the photo, view the photo. If you click on it, you'll just view it and the full screen, and the last one is to remove the photo if you want. So that will be it. That will be actually it. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.